Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 on print merge. This time we're going to do 2 names, and I'm going to just do the first and the last name in the middle, but you could do the names and titles or whatever you wanted to put in there. So we're going to go to File, Print Merge, create and load a new print merge, import a text, find it, and this time put it under print merge. Both names, it's a CSV file. Hit next, and there's our first and last name. It's already entered the text, and just hit next. There's our names. I just did 6 names or 5 names. Now we're going to go to insert print merge fields. There's our first one, and we're going to take it and we're going to put it up here. And I don't know, oh, here we go right here. Now last, insert print merge. So I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page, and then I'm going to move these up. So I'm going to move the first one up and the last name down. So I'm holding down the control button after I start moving them so they'll be in the center of the page. Now we need to do this. We need to center it. Center it. Now we need to go to perform print merge. And I need to change this. I need to figure out how to make it bigger. But there's Doug Green on page. So go to current document. There's Doug Green. The next page is Bill Brown, David Blue, Tom Gray, Billy Black. So that's how you could put, you could put in titles, you could put in dates, and whatever you wanted to do it. And just like in the last video, you could put an envelope to restrain those names inside that field in case you wanted to make them, if you had some longer names that would not fit in there. And I would always kind of like make it even, and then we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then just move it up, and you do the same thing. And you can change the font. You don't have to stay with that font. You can change the size. There's a lot you can do with this. So start playing around with print merge. I'm going to still continue doing it and trying to get how you can lay this out in your laser page better with imposition layout. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.